love this gorgeous design on the side. How strong do you like your tea? It has all these big lumps of sugar in it. These dried pink flowers with green leaves. This feels a little bit more Valentine's-y. I just had to get it because I thought it was so cute. And it comes in this really pretty gold box. I hope that you really enjoy this night. My friend, happy Valentine's Day. I hope that today you are reminded that you are loved and valued. I thought that I would treat you by setting up a cozy little space for you where you can journal and maybe look at some photographs and drink some tea and just relax before bed. How does that sound? Okay. So, I would like to start by just giving the desk a little bit of a brush. Is that alright? Okay, wonderful. So I have with me this little broom with a dustpan, and I'm just going to give the desk a little brush from the top to the bottom. There, now your desk is free of any dust that may have accumulated. So now we are ready to start the decorations. And I always like to start off with a few candles. So let me show you the ones that I brought for today. This is the first one. And I love the detail on this. I love the ridges and these little circle dots. I just think that it makes it really fun and it adds a nice detail to it. This is a soy-based candle and it doesn't really have much of a scent. So let's light this one. Okay. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Okay, one candle is lit. So next I have this candle. I'll just move this over here. It has these ridges that I love. And it's just a really sweet pink color. So I'll go ahead and... Okay, there we go. And lastly, we have this candle by Valu Spa. The scent is a Pandora lychee, so it has lychee, cassis, and Asian pear in it. And I love this gorgeous design on the side of these. I think that they're wildflowers, and just beautiful. And I love that the scent is not super strong, but it is slightly sweet. And it has some fruity and floral notes to it. So let's light the last one up, and I think that it'll add a lot of ambiance to the space. Okay. Okay, so I think that I will move this large one over to the back right here. So we have that in the corner, and we can rearrange if necessary, but okay, so now that we have our candles, what do you think about if I give you some tea? Okay, cool. So tonight I have for you this really simple teacup. It is just plain pink, and the glass feels pretty So, and it says that this is naturally decaffeinated, so I wanted to get you decaf because I know that you told me that you can be kind of sensitive to caffeine at night, and I wouldn't want anything to interfere with your sleep. So I will just get one tea bag out for you. And I will just open this tea bag. And let's take this tea bag out. And I will set it in the teacup. Okay, great. I think we're ready to add our tea. So tell me, how strong do you like your tea? Do you like them to be very flavorful or kind of lighter? On the lighter side. Okay, so it says on the directions that I'm supposed to put this in for 5 whole minutes, but if you only like a little bit of flavor in your tea, then I can certainly just stop after a little bit. I think that looks just about right. What do you think? Okay, great. So, I think that I will add the sugar first. So, it has all these big lumps of sugar in it. Hopefully that is nice and sweet for you. And now I will add your cream. Okay, just tell me when. Oh, okay, great. Okay, and I always love watching the way the milk swirls and melts into the tea. I think that is a really nice, pretty color. And now I would like to show you some notebooks. So, these are both leather bound, and I think that both of them are from Italy. Yes, this brand is called Valentina, and it says genuine leather made in Italy. It has never been written in, and the pages are nice and thick. So I will show you a few different journals, and I thought that maybe you could take your pick of which one you like better. So that is the first one, and obviously I chose it because I thought that the red was really fitting with the holiday, so there's that. And the next one is actually not a journal per se, but it is a book of photographs. And it doesn't have any photographs in it yet, but I thought that maybe you could find some pictures of you and your family and your friends and your special one, and that you could fill this photo book up with really happy memories, so that whenever you want to relax or whenever you feel like you just need a reminder. Everyone needs a reminder, right, sometimes, that you are loved and valued and just worthy of love. I thought that you could look at all these photos of people and that it would just bring you joy. So I have this little cute bottle. It says, "I put a spell on you, Cupid's spell." And it has these little pink flowers, these dried pink flowers with green leaves. And I thought that they would just add a really nice little fresh pop of color to your desk. And, you know, this, you can't get more Valentine's Day than this, right? So I will put this on top of this notebook right right here. And I had a few more notebooks that I wanted to show you, just so you had your pick. So I have this one, and these two kind of look a little bit similar to me, but this is one, it kind of looks like a lollipop tree, and has white and pink and orange and purple and blue little dots, and has like little sparkles on them as well. And I just thought that this was so cute. And this one is by Peter Popper Press. Actually, you'll find that most of the notebooks that I have are from Peter Popper Press. I like them because they are pretty affordable, but their covers are so pretty that it feels like a treat. So I have this one. I also have this one, and it is a smaller size, so perfect to take with you and just throw in your bag. I always have a few notebooks with me in my bag, just in case there are any story ideas or poem ideas that come to me while I'm out and about. This one is a tree, and instead of leaves, they have these little hearts of different colors that are just blowing away in the wind. Some are falling to the ground, and I just think that this is really pretty. Lastly, I have this red leather notebook, and it is by the same company as this one. If you look on the back, it says Valentine, genuine leather made in Italy. And I love the spine of it. It kind of has like this kind of old classic feel. And it has this very subtle light design that frames the cover of the journal. So I have this one for today. I think this feels a little bit more Valentine's-y, so I will put this on top of here just for some layering, and I will put this aside for now, but you are welcome to use it if, the desire strikes. So we have our journals, and if we have journals, we need something to write with, so let me get some of those right now. So these are some pens. I thought that they were really funny. They say, this orange one says, all the emotions, and this pink one says, so many feelings. And so I thought that these were really cool, fun pens that you could write all your emotions and all your feelings down into your journal and just let it all out. So I'm just gonna move this cream and sugar a little bit to make room for the pens. So I am just gonna put this here. And to add to the collection, I'm also going to be giving you this highlighter. It is a wide, flat highlighter and not super bright on your eyes. It's a pastel pink, and I think that you'll like it. So I will just put this right here next to your pens and your journals. Oh, and I almost forgot, but I saw this at the store and I just had to get it because So again, the flavors are salted caramel, hazelnut praline, intense raspberry, and rich dark chocolate. Which one do you think you want to start with? The rich dark chocolate, good choice. So how about I put 2 on, maybe I can put them on your teacup to start. And I will give you another one. Come on, you have to have at least 2. The salted caramel. Okay, cool. So I will give you this one. Okay, great. Okay, so I think that you are all ready for your cozy night in. I hope that you feel really rested and relaxed at your desk. Do you like it? Oh, okay. Thank you. I can't tell you how much that means to me. So, you have your more hot water in here if you need it. And you have plenty of chocolates. The candles will be going for a while. And we have plenty of sugar and cream. And more notebooks than you can use to journal. So I hope that you really enjoy